Hello everyone, welcome to Big Fist. My name is Back. So today we're gonna do an unboxing on my channel. Now this is the first time ever and I'm gonna try not to swear because my teachers are watching this video probably. Yeah, ma'am. Let's do it. So I'm not gonna just do cool shot like some of the movies that we should not talk about on YouTube. I know. This is sick. Okay, I'm nearly 100% sure that you guys don't know about this company. This is called Vatan. It's in Turkey, place that I'm living in. Rampage KBR 88, I think. Am I correct? Oh hell yeah, dude. Yes, KBR 88. So I'm gonna do a cool jump cut. I think that's what it's called. I said that I'm not gonna do it, but fuck. Yeah, I'm very short. I don't know why. I'm so cringy. Fuck. I'm scared that I'm gonna broke something. That's the usual thing. I don't know what this black thing is, but the other thing. Oh, this is the tool to pick the button out. The keyboard that I'm having right now is this shit. No. Yeah, it's G103. I'm gonna put the image on the video. What? Okay. I thought that I broke the keyboard. I could sell it on eBay or something. Yeah, this is a keyboard. I don't know if you guys have seen this before. I hope it looks good. Oh, look at the baby. This is a 15-inch. Oh my god! Look at it, buddy. Yeah, this looks so pretty. Oh, by the way, it's just metal on the back. Look at this. I mean, you could change colors too. It's blue. Slight blue. Oh my god. Which one should I use? Oh, this looks so. I'm having the biggest fucking erection. This is the first unboxing on YouTube. Thank you for watching. If you like this useless video, please give it a like, and I'll see you in the next. Fuck off.